Hi, I'm Marcel from LifeStone, and at LifeStone we create crystal massage soaps and crystal candles. Our crystal candles are made with all natural soy wax and pure steam distilled or cold pressed essential oils. Each candle can be used as a massage oil, and since there's no glue to adhere the wicks, cleanup is easy and you can reuse the decorative jars. Additionally, each candle comes with its own affirmation. Some of our best-selling candles include Infinite Gratitude, which features rose quartz crystal, geranium essential oil, and the affirmation is, I am grateful for all in my life and all that is yet to come. All of our crystal massage soaps are vegan, one-of-a-kind, and feature real crystals from around the world to offer a stone massage as you bathe. Some of our best-selling soaps include Into Nature, which features organic spirulina, lavender essential oil, and amethyst crystal. The affirmation for Into Nature crystal massage soap is, I am in control of my destiny. The universe is on my side. Peace and gratitude.